Dear students, welcome to my class. So, the chapter that I shall be discussing today is degrees of comparison. We'll get it in page number 43. It's chapter 9. So, degrees of comparison, there are 3 degrees. One is positive, next is comparative, and the other is superlative degree. So, first let me discuss it with the help of the picture that is given here in page number 43. See here. Compare this using the degrees of comparison of adjectives. See here large. There are 3 examples, there are 3 pictures given which are large, but then also they are slightly different from each other in size. See, this is, look at this size, look at this animal size, and look at this one. They are slightly different. This animal is larger than this one. This animal is larger than this one, and this one is the largest among all. So large, this word is not compared with anything. If I say it is a large animal, so this is a positive degree. A larger than means when you compare with other animal, means one animal we compare with another animal, then I shall use than, larger. The comparative degree of large will be larger. So this animal is larger than this animal. And the third one, this is the largest among all the animals. This is the largest. So this is the superlative degree. Comparative degree is compared between two. Large is not compared with anyone, and the largest is compared among all of them. It might be 3, it might be 4, it might be 5. But comparative degree is always compared between two only. The largest is not compared with anyone, and the largest is compared among all the things that are there. There may be 5, there may be 6, there may be 7, be it a thing, be it a place, be it an animal. So let's go to next one. The next one is sweet. There are 3 pictures which taste sweet. This one is plum, this one is a candy, and this one is a cake. So this one is sweet. If I compare it with candy, it is sweet. It is a positive degree. And as compared to this one is sweeter than this plum. So this one will be sweeter. Sweeter than. And the last one is the sweetest of all the 3. So I shall be writing here sweetest. Not only sweetest, I shall be writing the sweetest. Because I am comparing with all of them, so I shall use the article the in front of the superlative degree. And in comparative degree, I shall use than. And in positive degree, I shall neither use than nor the. So next, let us use another example. Suppose here it is given slow. There are 3 examples there are 3 animals which are slow. First one is tortoise. This one is tortoise. So this one is slow. As compared to this one, it is a caterpillar. It is much slower than tortoise, so it will be slower than. And this one is snail, which is the slowest. I shall write here the slowest, because in superlative degree we have to use the. In comparative we shall use then. See, as compared to caterpillar and tortoise, if I compare both of them, caterpillar is slower than tortoise. A snail is the slowest among all this. So in positive degree it is slow, in comparative it is slower, and the superlative is slowest. Let's go to the next one. See the word hot, and there are 3 objects which are hot. One is a cup of tea. As compared to this bonfire, it is less hot, so it will be hot. As this bonfire is hotter than cup, the cup from the cup of tea, so it will be hotter than and if I compare the sun among these two with all of this, if I compared all, then the sun is the hottest, so I shall write the hottest. It is the hottest. So there are 3 degrees of comparison. One is the positive, next one is the comparative, and the last one is the superlative degree. So let's go to page number 44. Look here, all of you turn to page 44. See here, by changing their form, adjectives can be used to show comparison between 2 or more people. These different forms of the adjectives are called degrees of comparison. So these are all adjectives. All the objects which you are seeing, these are nouns, and the word which we are using to explain the noun, these are known as adjectives. Adjective means the word which describes a noun. So these are the adjectives. So I am repeating the sentence again. By changing their form, when you change the form, suppose from slow you go to slower, then you go to slowest, adjectives can be used to show comparison between 2 or more people. If it is 2 people, then we shall use the comparative degree, and if it is more than 2 people, I shall use the superlative degree. These different forms of the adjective are called degrees of comparison. Adjectives are of 3 degrees. One is positive, I told you earlier. The next is comparative, and the last is superlative degree. So here are 3 examples of positive degree. Let us discuss this. When we talk about one person, we use the positive degree. For example, Sham is a fast runner. I am not using any other name. I am talking about only one person, that is Sham. I am not comparing with anyone else. So when we talk about only one person, we use the degree. We use the positive degree. Here the adjective that is used is fast. Sham is a fast runner. So if I compare Sham with another person, suppose here look at this sentence. I am comparing Sham with Rohan. I am comparing Sham with Rohan in such a way that the meaning is Rohan is faster than Sham. Because I am comparing Sham with Rohan, the adjective changed into faster. And in comparative degree, only 2 persons are used. Rohan and Sham. Here Rohan and Sham are given. So see here, in positive degree, Sham is a fast runner. Here in positive degree we talk about only one person. And in comparative degree, as you have to compare, when you compare with 2 people or things. So I am comparing Rohan with Sham. So the adjective becomes faster. So this is the positive degree, this is the comparative degree. Let's go to the superlative degree of fast. Look at the sentence. Sanjay is the fastest of all. Of all means of Rohan and Sham. Among all of them, Sanjay is the fastest. And in superlative degree, we should always use the article the in front of the adjective. See here, the adjective is faster. I shall always use the article the. So you are clear, I hope. In positive degree, we talk about only one person. In comparative degree, we compare between 2 people or things. And when you compare more than 2 people or things, we use the superlative degree. So here you see, one it is fast, next is faster, and the last is fastest. Let's go to next one. See, Pratik is rich. Here is only one person. Here only the name of one person is given. So I am not comparing with anybody. So I am writing. So the sentence is Pratik is rich. When I will compare Pratik with some other else, then the adjective will change into richer, which is a comparative degree. In comparative degree, always use then with the adjective. Lalit is richer than Pratik. And in superlative degree, it will be, see here the sentence, Mayank is the richest of all. Of all means here Pratik and Lalit. There are 3 people. One is Lalit, one is Pratik, one is Mayank. And among 3 of them, Mayank is the richest. So this is the richest is the superlative degree. Rich is the positive degree, richer is the comparative degree, and richest is the superlative degree. Next one is another example. Let us take another example. Suppose Rajan is tall. So in this sentence we'll find that Rajan is compared with his uncle. So as he is compared with another person, obviously it will be a comparative degree, that is the comparative degree of tall will be taller and the superlative will be the tallest. Here the noun that is used is brother, means first Rajan was compared with his uncle and now Rajan's brother is also there, and among three of them, Rajan, his uncle and his brother, among three of them, Rajan, his brother is the tallest. So this is the superlative degree. I hope you have understood the 3 degrees. So in my next class I shall continue with the other portions. So till today let's end here. So thank you. Bye bye.